when we talk about TMC, he has been specifically, categorically very critical towards the ruling party ministers, even when he's a sitting judge. He had asked Abhishek Banerjee to openly disclose his property during an order, or asked him, or had challenged him to put out all his property details on social media. He did not say specifically which party he will join, but he said that it is upon the parties, and I'm open to Congress, and there are a lot of parties, Congress, CPIM, BJP, but he said I will not join TMC. And if sources are to be believed, he is likely to contest election from Tamlu. Abhijit Gangopadhyay was always approachable. So if somebody wanted to meet him out of the court, this is as per the versions of the common woman, they were saying that he was always approachable.
Hello and welcome to the Indian Express. The ever-changing political story of Calcutta got a new chapter. Calcutta High Court Judge Abhijit Gangopadhyay announced his retirement from judiciary, and he also stated to a television channel that he's going to join politics. I have with me Sweety Kumari, who has covered the Calcutta High Court for the past few years. Sweety, if you could tell us about Abhijit Gangopadhyay. He's known as a controversial judge who has had run-ins with the ruling Trinamool Congress a number of times. If you could tell us about his legacy.
So Abhijit Gangopadhyay, we all know that he's a permanent judge in Calcutta High Court, and he was appointed as one into 2020. Before that, he was additional judge in Calcutta High Court in 2018, and prior to that, he was a lawyer in Calcutta High Court. So, when we talk about Abhijit Gangopadhyay, we all know that his courtroom, like room number 17 of Calcutta High Court, has seen all lot of dramatic scenes, which is very unusual for a normal courtroom. We have seen scuffles, protests, and charges traded against senior lawyers and this and that. So Abhijit Gangopadhyay, he has been a center of controversy for last 2 years, I would say. Having said that, he has played a key role in in investigation of SSC recruitment scam, we all know, and he has been like a hope for many job seekers. Those who have been, there are many who directly approach Gangopadhyay that I was the eligible one, and some fake person took my job, and he would next day give an order. So lot of dramatic scenes we have seen in his courtroom, and also there are people who consider him as a god, next to God, and yes, that's all about.
He also has been very actively critical of the ruling Trinamool government, right? If you could tell us, as in how he has, in a way, talked about the alleged role of Trinamool in the teachers' recruitment scam.
Yeah, it is because of several orders of Justice Abhijit Gangopadhyay that Minister Partha Chatterjee is in jail, MLA Manik Bhattacharya is in jail, and there are a lot of he has given sometimes in his orders he had asked central agencies to file FIR within the midnight and call so and so MLAs and question them, and he has even pulled on. Several times, he has even came upon heavily on investigating agencies also, to expedite this investigation. When we talk about TMC, he has been specifically, categorically very critical towards the ruling party ministers, even when he's a sitting judge. Recently, National General Secretary of TMC Abhishek Banerjee had filed a plea in Supreme Court and appealed to take an action against Abhijit Gangopadhyay for his comment outside the court regarding all the sub judice matters. So several times, even in his orders, he has said to investigating officials that whatever you are investigating, but you are unable to catch the real quote and unquote. I mean, if I put it in quote, you are unable to catch the real masterminds and this and that. So he has given a lot of comments, and once there was an order where he had asked directly he had asked Abhishek Banerjee to, openly disclose his property during an order, or asked him, or had challenged him to put out all his property details on social media. So we all know that he has been critical towards TMC and, so to say, Abhishek Banerjee as well.
Also, like the speculations are that he's going to join BJP, but like of course there's no concrete word on that. But what is the feeling amongst his critiques?
So suddenly there was an announcement by Justice Gangopadhyay that he is quitting judiciary. And when he was asked if he will be joining politics, though he did not say I will join politics, but he said yes, that's a wider field I will be going into. And he did not say specifically which party he will join, but he said that it is upon the parties, and I'm open to Congress, and there are a lot of parties, Congress, CPIM, BJP. But he said I will not join TMC. So that was very clear on his part, and he said that I'll be sending a resignation on Tuesday, like verbally from our sources, and he even said that verbally he'll be informing Chief Justice today, but in writing he'll be submitting his resignation on Tuesday. And after that, we are all waiting. There are speculations that on 7th he is likely to join BJP, and if sources are to be believed, he is likely to contest election from Tamlu. So let's see whether how much this is going to be true.
And what will be the legacy of Justice Gangopadhyay? How will he be seen by the people of Bengal? How will he be seen by his critics?
As far as critics are concerned, already there have been a lot of comments after his decision of quitting judiciary. TMC has been openly saying that we knew that he was working as party worker even when he was inside the courtroom. Those are the serious comments that have been coming from the ruling party. BJP has said that they are not coming. Publicly they are not saying that currently officially that he will be joining BJP, but they are saying that BJP's doors are open for Gangopadhyay and he can come, and that should be the natural choice. If we talk about Congress, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary has several times said that Abhijit Gangopadhyay is the crusader of corruption. He is someone people look up to, and there are very few judges who leave such an impact on common people and outside the courtroom. When we talk about Gangopadhyay, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, I remember, had said once that he should, if he is the candidate for chief minister in Bengal, I will be the first person to go and vote.
So he's a widely popular,
very widely popular, very widely
person
popular.
in Bengal, right? Yeah.
And even today when I was in the courtroom, today was the last day of him being a judge, because he's likely to resign tomorrow. So I could see people's reaction. Like common people had come to see him for the last time, and there were women who had tears in his eyes. So such kind of impact he has as a judge. And one of the women was saying, usually what happens, a court hearing. During the court hearing, judge gives their order and we go back home, and then there's another day. But Abhijit Gangopadhyay was always approachable. So if somebody wanted to meet him out of the court, this is as per the versions of the common woman, they were saying that he was always approachable. So I think if he chooses to be in politics, definitely he will cash on in all these areas and his popularity.
So, a widely popular judge who might join politics very soon. Which party will he join? Only time will tell. Thanks for joining Indian Express, and keep on watching us. Subscribe to our channel.
Thank you.